Okay, 10:35, leaving the rest stop. Alright, 99 miles. Climbing 5 miles an hour. Halfway through. Yeah, 100-mile mark.
Oh, I have no idea what
Yeah, that's what I got, 100 miles. Climbing up Cobb Mountain at 4 miles an hour. This is not a flat double. It's about 80 degrees. I'm sweating bullets. Going up about 4 miles an hour. About 4.5 miles to go to the rest stop. Welcome to Cobb Mountains. It's 11:40. Cobb rest stop. Hey. Okay, got about 3 more miles to lunch. We're at 114 miles. We're in Lower Lake. We are at lunch. It's 12:32 for lunch.
A little bit of everything. We got fruit, we got salad, we got meat, we got bread.
All right, looks good. Can I have a slice of bread?
And lots of drink. Would you like cracked wheat or would you like sourdough?
Wheat.
Wheat? You want me to get it for you?
Just one.
These hands are clean. I got gloves on. People cry at me when I don't wear my gloves. Look at you, little McDonald. Got some wipes down here for you.
Oh. Thanks for help.
I had to do it.
Thanks for volunteering.
All right.
Oh.
Nice. See that bag of cookies right there?
About 1 o'clock. Little headwind up ahead. Here we go, start of the Resurrection Hill.
Tailwind, huh?
Yep.
Hope we have a tailwind all the way down Fairbanks tonight.
We're at 130 miles, about 9 more miles to the rest stop. Top of Resurrection. We got a long way to go. You can go around. Just looking for an excuse to fall back. Bye-bye, guys. This ride is not flat. right, that's it. It's 2:14. Okay. Okay, we're at the top. Another downhill section. Magic, you want some? You guys are pulling us at 30. And about 45 more miles to go to the finish. Kind of struggling to stay on. But these guys, that tandem is really pushing it. Okay, 162 miles. We're at the rest stop. It's 3:30. Thanks, guys. Oh man.
That's cool.
Oh, Mr. Tandem decided to go keep whining.
Thank you. Hey, 47. Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Just fine. How about you? You're making
Good.
good time.
Yep. Okay, it's 5:04. Got about 20 more miles to go. Have some stomach cramps now. I just took some Tums. Hopefully that'll get rid of it. Pretty good about marking the route here. They put these little barricades up. They flash at night so the riders can see their way back. And about 14 more miles to go. It's 5:26. 12 more miles to go. Just drafting my shadow. Hey, 5:55 is the last rest stop. Thanks for volunteering. 7 more miles. About a half hour to go. 1 more mile. Stomach's killing me. I think it was this morning. Pace line for it now. Couple more blocks. Hey, finished. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bingo.
Bingo, I win.
7:24. Stanley.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you. It's on video.
It was Knoxville, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple years ago.